Hello friends, hai na hai lam su kun rok no ani YouTube channel lo ke phadi tinin tam topic tong kisa nai na le nang tinin topic kha ang mia mobile nemang thuka bo porimang thung nani thangka Rahul kapmang nogo thangka ang tini himang bazaro thangka bo khachimang klaika ga phadi o kono sung English by bike translation khainai nai na le nang puila koktang kha ang mia mobile nemang thuka abun English meaning nai while watching the mobile I was asleep yesterday. While watching the mobile, I was asleep yesterday. Next, bo porimang thungnani thangka. Abni meaning nai. While studying, he left to play. While studying, he left to play. Next, Rahul kapmang nogo thangka. Abni meaning nai. While weeping, Rahul went to home. While weeping, Rahul went to home. Next, ang tini himang bazaro thangka. Abni meaning nai. While walking, I went to market today. While walking, I went to market today. Next, bo khachimang klaikha. Aboni meaning nai while running he was fault. While running he was fault. Get tin jote asuk no video hamja ba like kedi share kedi. Get ta isini kobro kogno awe khana bagi subscribe khana tap ko. Balai ka hambai khulumka.